The Pictou County Wellness Centre has provided our greater Pictou County community with so many opportunities. It is indeed a place of wellness. We have the walking track, we've had home shows, we've had exciting hockey tournaments, many opportunities that without this facility probably wouldn't have come our way.
I was always interested and involved in what the Wellness Centre does for our community, from being an active participant in activities that took place here to moving on to my role as a director.
I've been here at the Wellness Centre for about 2.5 years now. I felt that my critical skills and attributes were probably a pretty good match with this facility and what it needed for the next few years. My vision for the future is to expand the definition of wellness. Specifically, I wanted to address the culture of the organization. I wanted to ensure that there was proper maintenance programs in place which weren't quite up to par.
We knew from the beginning, and we've had a number of studies done, that were indicating specific issues around energy and energy costs.
Those were expenses that we were finding very difficult to control.
Instead of being able to be proactive in investing in the facility like we had hoped, we were bogged down trying to find ways to save money as opposed to make investments.
We had looked at many possibilities to sort of dig down deep and find out, what could we do?
We partnered with Johnson's. They were excellent on all 4 fronts of the project.
We at Johnson Controls are helping the Pictou County Wellness Centre with their energy intensity as well as their GHG goals.
There's going to be less air being introduced when air is not required. There's going to be better heating control. There's going to be better cooling and humidity control throughout the facility. There's going to be lots of improvements noticed in lighting.
We don't look at just one measure. We're looking about how all these measures interact together to find the perfect outcome for the building.
The positive outcomes for this project were immediate.
33% reductions in our total utility costs, in our greenhouse gas emissions, and in our future carbon taxes.
It creates a predictability so that for budgeting purposes we know what we can do.
And that eventually will give us the financial resources we need to implement the programs that we feel are critical to this facility's success.
This is a building that we want all of the community to feel is their own and realize that there are opportunities in many different ways.
This is just one step in what is possible for the Pictou County Wellness Centre. They've lowered their GHG, but they're able to hit much closer to net zero in future phases. Moreover, help out with resiliency of the facility.
When I tell you about the future for the Wellness Centre, I don't believe, honestly, any of it would have been possible had it not been for JCI. It's a fresh start. I subscribe to the 7 dimensions of wellness, and I'm going to use that theme to drive this place forward, and we think that the resources that are saved are going to enable us to do that.